Hi everyone, this is Gege and welcome to Be Colorful. Even today we are here to create something with the Tonic Craft Kit 52. This time I gonna use the kit to create a box, so for what it was designed, but I will make some small changes in order to create a larger box that can contain a mini succulent plant. I really like succulent plant, so I'm gonna create a perfect box to hold a small pot to give to someone. So let's start right away. First, I'm gonna die cut all the components of the box. To make a larger box, however, I need 4 of these pieces, which create the bottom and sides of the box. To make the normal box, that is the one designed by the creators of the kit, we need only 2 of them. Okay, now I'm going to color all the parts with antique linen distress ink. I think the colors that would look best with succulent plants are the colors of the earth. If you don't like coloring, you can die cut directly onto colored cardstock or even onto craft paper. I'm coloring the front and the back of each component. I darken up the edges with Distress Ink Vintage Photo. And now let's add a nice clear part. I'm going to die cut the front panel with this die of the kit, creating a frame, on the back of which I glue a piece of acetate. Of course, you can skip this step and not make the box with a clear front. Now let's take the bottom and side pieces and fold the flaps along the fold lines created by the die. You will notice that the flaps adjacent to the front panel will be visible through the acetate, as the frame is very thin. So I shortened them. In all, there are 3 flaps to be shortened, 1 bottom flap and 2 side flaps. Okay, we just have to assemble the box. I will use both strong double-sided tape adhesive and liquid glue. Half the box is ready. Now to extend it, I join the other 2 panels, joining them through the flaps. And the box is ready. We just have to decorate it. With the die of the kit, I'm gonna create the pocket of the apron, on which I print one of the sentiments, always included in the kit. I stamp with black VersaFine ink, and as it is a slow drying ink, I have time to do a heat embossing with clear embossing powder. I'm going to color the pocket with the same distress ink that I used before. Thanks to the embossing, the stamp will resist the inks without smooshing. Since the box has a clear front, I want the back of the pocket to be finished as well, so I create another pocket to glue to the back. It's time to add some color by introducing the blue. With this die I get some finishing edges for the pocket, but without the scalloped edges. Honestly, it looks more like a kitchen apron than a gardening one, but this is just my opinion. And now let's move on to my favorite part, creating the small tools, for gardening in this case. I am going to die cut on satin silver mirror card. And to create the handles of the tools, I'm going to die cut again, but on the blue cardstock included in the kit. And I cut out the parts I need. I assemble the tools and the pocket. And I glue everything on the front of the box. I also refine the back of the mini tools. Okay, I know this is obsession with details, but I can't resist. Ah, look at that, so cute! Next, I'm going to decorate the sides a bit by creating blackboard. I'm going to die cut 2 panels on the blue paper of the kit to create finishing borders, and 2 on black paper. With a pencil I write something simulating the effect of chalk. Then I create a small tag where I gonna apply the name of the plant. I create the name with the demo or Dymo, I don't know, label maker. I'm going to insert the laces of the apron using some jute twine. I also insert the string on the tag, which I tie to the box. I'm going to finish the box by putting silver braid into the 4 holes of the apron, which will also prevent the twine from coming out. I also add a few drops of blue vintage drop and the box is ready. I just have to put the little succulent plant inside. That's all for today, my friends. Did you like this mini plant box? If so, give me a nice green thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and write me anything you want below in the comments. Thank you for joining with me and we'll see you next time. Bye bye and be colorful.